chain stitch looks intricate, but it's not tricky to do. It's a good stitch for creating defined outlines or stitching greenery. It's also often used as a filling stitch. Bring your needle up and make a loop. Take the needle back down at the same point, keeping hold of the loop. Bring the needle up to anchor the first stitch and start the second. Continue stitching this way to create a linked chain of stitches. When you reach the end of the chain, make a small anchoring stitch to fix the last loop in place. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials, you can check out my stitch library here. Bye for now.